Here we will write a program to display multiplication of odd numbers from 1 to n, where value of n is given by the user. So first in comment line we will write, first we will accept value of n from the user. So n equal to int input enter number. Here we are going to use while loop. So I will declare one variable I which is initialized with 1, and I will define another variable to store the multiplication which is initialized with 1. Then we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to n, we will check value of I is odd or not. So if I mod 2 not equal to 0, we will multiply I with multiplication variable. So odd multiplication equal to odd multiplication into I, and outside the if statement we will increase I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then outside the while loop we will print the multiplication with print. So print multiplication of odd numbers, and we will print O multiplication, and we execute this. I will enter the number 5. It will print multiplication of odd number as 15. We can print the numbers also. For this, first we will print the message odd numbers from 1 to n, and inside the if statement we will print I, and we execute it. I will give the number 5. It will print odd numbers from 1 to 5 as 1, 3, 5, and multiplication of odd number is 3 into 5 into 1, which is 15.